today we are gonna have African food from Fam's African Kitchen. So we got the igusi, we got the oha soup, and we got the oxtail pepper soup.
So basically this halal African cuisine. Okay, we're gonna eat all of this with the
Fufu.
fufu. Is like their staple food lah. It's like their rice. Let's try fufu on its own lah. Tak sabar pun. Okay, let's try the igusi first. Let's go. Spicy level. Oh.
I give it a 3 out of 5 for the spicy level.
Spicy dia. Yeah, spicy sia. Okay, let's try the meat. Oh, the meat is juicy, gang. Just nice, not overcooked. Big bite. Everything is there. Interesting taste.
For those people who love spice, right? This is good for you.
African people eat spicy, yeah.
Guess so.
But the
Shiokness,
the chicken is sweet, man.
what I've been waiting for.
Oxtail soup.
Again, going in with the fufu.
A little bit of fufu. Tengok je lah. Dia punya minyak. Oh, spicy sah ni.
This one is a bit more spicier than the igusi.
Dia dah berak sah ni.
I'm a spice lover and it's spicy for me.
Okay lah, the oxtail can say quite tender. And the last one we're gonna try is the oha soup. Okay, oha soup smells nice. This green leaf is ora or oha lah.
Ora.
Wah, hiccups really. We're gonna try with the ora. Who is sayur
Yes, vegetable.
This one like got wangi-wangi ah. It's like a burst of
Fragrance in your mouth.
yeah, it's like the whole fragrance in your mouth. The leaf is like
Aromatic.
Yeah, you can make perfume with the leaf. Nice.
It's nice. It's the aroma. The aroma, it's new. It's a different taste. Like the first two, it tastes familiar, but it's interesting and it's nice.
Yeah, the igusi got familiar taste, more comforting than both of the rest. But this one, the plant can make perfume. So out of the three, my favorite I think is the igusi.
The oxtail.
Igusi.
Igusi on a plate. Igusi on a plate.
Lagu apa tu?
Hello?
Fufu is very bland, but if you eat it with the gravy or the soup, right?
Just ngam. It just fit well.
It goes very well.
1, 2, 3, ding.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3, ding.